Hey Rosebuds, I am over here in my purple garden and I saw this really cute rose, and unfortunately in the renovation the tag is missing. It looks like a polyantha. If you recognize this rose, please let me know. Look at these little buds. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. All right, but the rose that I want to do a spotlight on today is actually Blue for You. So let's head back here and you can see Blue for You next to Plum Perfect. So Blue for You is available through Palatine, and so this is on Multiflora, and I really love them in mass, and they're here with my blue irises. They are growing approximately 3 foot by maybe 3 foot. You can see they're ending their flush here. But if you have a chance to get this rose, I'm gardening in a high humidity and I look for roses that are black spot resistant, and this one is indeed black spot resistant. There is a sweet fragrance that I am detecting. I want to show this to you. This is a baby ladybug. Doesn't that look so funny? But it is indeed a ladybug. So anyways, if you have a chance to get Blue for You, I hope that you will consider that. It's an absolutely wonderful rose. So thanks so much for joining me. I will see you in the next video.